What's up, grade 7s? We're back. Time for another round of remote band lessons. So get your books out, get your instruments out. Let's do this. So, should I have my metronome out first? So we're going to go to our books. We're going to go to page 43. And we're going to do a warm-up. Okay. And we're going to start with our B-flat concerts major scale and arpeggios and end the third. So that's at the top of page 43. Okay. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. If you want to be a real keener, make sure you're only breathing on the breath marks, yeah? And by keener, I mean you should just be doing that. Makes it a lot harder, but you can do it. And then we're going to look at number 5 on page 43. That's our chromatic scale, okay? Now that requires some of you to look up some fingerings and some notes. Too bad, figured out. Okay? You gotta learn that. It's not that hard. Just gotta figure it out, memorize it. Real good way to practice memorizing the chromatic scale. Start at the first note, and then play from the first to the second, and then play backwards. And then play up to the third note, and play backwards, right? And get used to going up the pattern until you can get all the way up, okay? Here's the whole thing though, okay? If you need to do that thing, then pause the video, work on that, then join me. 1, 2, 3. So that's our chromatic scale. And I believe last Friday, we got up to 82 in the book, which was the can-can, the Orpheus and the Underworld theme. We're going to start with number 74, okay? Just as a warm-up, I'm going to play the A part, and then the B part, okay? So focus on the dynamic shifts, okay? You need lots of air if you're going to do a crescendo, okay? This is the A part, so you can play with me or you can play the B part. 1, 2, oh. This is in 3/4. Come on, Mr. Lorden, get it together. Get it together. One, two, three, 1, 2. is the B part. I should count you in, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so let's take it from number 82 then, which is where we left off. Hopefully you guys are sticking along. For those of you who are joining us late, please do take the time to go back and start from the beginning of these videos. And just kind of work your way up to where we are, because otherwise you're going to be kind of behind, okay? You're going to miss some stuff. So, this is number 82, which is Allegro. It's in 2/4, Allegro meaning fast. And I don't remember if I showed you guys this last time, but if you're not sure how fast a specific music term is, whether it's moderato, allegro, prestissimo, they're all Italian terms, right? This is a great little handy thing on my app here. I have metronome beats. You have a sliding scale here to adjust the tempo, and you can see right there it actually changes to the different ones, okay? So this one's actually pretty fast. We're gonna do it as an andante first, and then if you can handle it, then you can do it at allegro. Okay, it's pretty quick and there's no slurs, it's all tongued and accented. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Finger work going on there, especially if you're a woodwind. Okay? And that wasn't even full tempo. That's the full tempo. Okay? And it's all tongued, no slur. Especially in that first ending where it's a bum 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 bum, all tongued, the whole thing. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so that is a lot of finger movement going on there. That's not an easy excerpt. Okay, so. Play it. We're going to skip 83 because we already did it. We did it in our warm-up. So we're going to move on, actually. We're going to move to number 84. We're going to do Crescent Moon Rising, which according to this book is a Chinese folk song. I'm not familiar with that one, but... So this is andante. It has soli directions, but we're going to ignore that because we can't play like that right now. It's all mezzo piano. Some is slurred, some is not. Make sure you're actually slurring the ones that are slurred. Okay? One, two, 1, 2, 3. trumpet players, you go G, G, E, A, or your trombone, F, D, G, right? Big jumps, okay? Now the last one we're going to do on this page is number 85, which is a really helpful exercise, especially for our brass players. Now this one's in 2/4. And it calls for moderato tempo, which I feel is a little fast. So if this is too fast, you can do this slower on your own. And the whole point of this exercise is to be able to differentiate between slurring and tonguing. It actually says in the text next to it, it has an A, B, and C option. And it says you can play this either slur 2, tongue 2, or tongue 2, slur 2, or slur all of it. And the idea is that it gets you used to doing fast fingering passages while switching between slurred and tongued notes, okay? So this is the whole exercise just tongued, okay? I'm actually going to repeat it 4 times. The first time I'll do it as written. The second time I'll do it with the A, so slur 2, tongue 2. Then I'll repeat it and do the B, tongue 2, slur 2, and then the last time I'll do it slurred, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now, like in measure 2, when you go da da da, that's kind of a tough one to slur, right? Because you got such a big jump, but that's kind of part of why this is a difficult exercise, okay? Play that one at whatever tempo is comfortable, because it's about building the dexterity in your lips and your fingers, okay? And if you go too fast, then you're just practicing making mistakes, okay? Do it at a tempo that's comfortable for you. Okay. We are going to skip over to the next page. We're going to skip 86 because there's no point in us dealing with that. And we're going to look at number 87 here. And we're going to be moving up to a new key. We're going to start with this little chop builder warm-up, okay? And the goal here, especially if you're a trumpet or a brass player, is to try and make sure this is all smooth and connected, okay? Everything is slurred in this one. And you should do it all in one breath, okay? There's no breath mark, so you only breathe on the rest, okay? So make sure you know what your fingerings are, because you've got, trumpets, you have F sharp and F natural, okay? Or trombones and flutes are going to have E flats and E natural, right? E natural is going to be in second position. I think we covered that in one of our pieces. And flutes, E natural is going to be like an F, but with the next finger over. Yeah. So it's like, so we have your F, but you add the middle finger on the right hand. That's E natural, right? So the goal is smooth. So woodwinds, it's just fingers, right? Air doesn't stop, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. especially brass players, when you go from the high notes down to the low notes, right, like G down to D or F to C for the trombone, make sure you're not going like, no, and completely, we want to try and keep the dynamic the same, right? Right, we don't want like, right? You have to be able to adjust your airflow, okay? That's a really good warm-up, and I want to try and use that one. Now here's where we're going to stop. Okay, we're going to stop on number 88 because I think this one will be a bit of a challenge for some of you. Okay, we've got a lot of accidentals in it, so make sure if you see a note, you go, "Ooh, I don't remember what the fingering is for that one." You know, write the name of the note in, or whatever you need to do to remind yourself, like add pinky or whatever it is. Don't write in every single note though. Okay. Just write in the ones that are giving you trouble. Okay, it's just a reminder. Okay, so we're gonna try this one. It's in 3/4. It does have a pickup. So we have like slur, tongue, slur, tongue, slur, tongue, tongue. Okay, there is a repeat. Okay, and we play the pickup on the repeat, so don't forget that. 1, I'll give you a bar and 2. 1, 2, 3, 1. We've got some of those new notes in there. So that's in a minor key, right? We're used to the major key, right? There's a minor key. There's different. So we play a B flat concert major. This would be, in this case, that's in F minor actually, but a minor scale's got certain notes slightly altered, right? Different key signature. Right, a little more dark. In this case, we have a raised seventh, so this is what we call a harmonic minor, right? I like that scale. I think that's probably a good spot. Some of those are challenging, should be challenging for you guys. So, please do take these little exercises seriously because they're totally within your guys' level, and this stuff's going to be way more effective at helping you grow as musicians than what we do in our like our big band stuff. This is an opportunity for you guys to grow and become even better musicians. I know it seems like crap because we're all stuck at home, but it's true, okay? You have an opportunity to grow a lot. So if you're having trouble with one of these and you can't play at the same tempo as me, screw it. Just set it at a slower tempo. Get yourself your own metronome. Get it on your tablet, on your computer, on your mom's cell phone, whatever you need to do. And just set it slower, okay? And just figure it out. Practice. Try and work on it until it works. That's how all the best horn players learn how to play. You see a problem and you go, how do I fix that? I will try things until I figure it out, right? The people who become great musicians and great successes at anything are the people who look at a problem and go, how do I overcome this? As opposed to, this is too hard. I don't want to do it. So, question for you. Do you want to solve the problem? Or is it too hard for you? The answer is it's not too hard for you, by the way. You just have to try it out. Figure it out. You guys are smart. You can do it. If you need any help, give me a call. Send me a message. 250-882-8219. That's my cell phone. Or you can send me an email at rlarden@sd91.bz.ca. I miss you guys. Dave.